Okay, next program is ascending order. Write a program to sort the given array in ascending order. Size of the array, after that, elements of the array. After that, you can print line by line. Look at 54, 68, 25, 40, 14, 74 each. Output is 14, 25, 54, 68, 74. You can arrange the elements in sorting order. I want to explain this program using Java. Import java.util.star. Then scanner class, scanner s equals to new scanner of system.in. Next, int n equals to sc dot next int of. After that, I want to create the array. Int a of equals to new int of n. Next, to read elements one by one. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. A of I equals to sc dot next int of. After that, I want to arrange the elements in sorting order. If you want to arrange the elements in sorting order in Java, one predefined method is there, that is called sort method. Arrays dot, in arrays class, we are using sort method of A. It automatically arranges the elements in sorting order. After that, I want to print the elements for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. System dot out dot println A of I. That's all. Simple, this is a predefined method. Arrays dot sort of means it automatically arranges the elements in sorting order.